Friday. And we got ourselves a nice pool cage to start the day off with. And then I'm gonna hit a driveway on the way home, hit the bank, make a deposit, and call it a day. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up and finish that front porch, be done with it. And then we're gonna go to Skyline Chili down in Clearwater, where they got a new location. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go over to Tampa and go to the Yard, which is the deluxe dessert place. I'm looking forward to that. All right, so let's get started and let's get after it. Okay, how's everybody doing? I went to the first job and the guy didn't answer the door. He didn't answer the phone, so we're out of luck on that pool cage. But we're here at this regular customer. He's go ahead and allowed me to get here early. This is a driveway cleanup. Now we're out here standing. He asked me to clean this bird bath over here. So one thing leads to another, you know. So we came out to look at the bird bath. See this all out here? Now that bird bath's gonna look brand new. It was black. But I pointed out to the guy about his soffits and got it right here. So I went ahead and sold him the house wash. Just have to get after it, man. Point things out to your customers. Try to upsell some other stuff. So we'll be back here next Friday. Sure, I can do it today, but you know what? This is my only job. I got some stuff to do around the house. I'm gonna spend some time with my wife. We're gonna have a good time this weekend. We're celebrating our first month without paying a mortgage. So we're gonna go to Skyline Chili tomorrow, like I said, and we're gonna go to the Yard. Wait until you see these desserts. They're off the chart, all right? And so is my sugar level. It's gonna be anyway. All right, let's get after it. We got everything SH with the sticky icky. It's hot out, it's drying up. But you know what? It treated it. And the front of the house looks right there where that white beaks are. It looks beautiful. He's gonna love it. All right, we're gonna start right here. The Mini Mondo's Park. Let's get after it.
Long time ago, yeah. I should have quit, baby. Long time ago. Boy, you know I was fooling with you. Oh, down in Mexico. If I follow, hey, my first smile. Boy, you know if I
All right, let's have a look. It's all been Mini Mondo'd. It's a muddy mess. When you rinse it, it's going to be beautiful. The walkway all the way down. Let's just come on up here real quick before we get to the satisfying rinse. You see how nice and clean that came up there? Really nice. All we got to do is rinse it, and we'll be done with the job. So let's get after it. It's going to be a nice short video today. In and out. All right, let's rock. looking good. Got some faint lines in it. We'll go ahead and SH it, post treat it. Okay. Now I couldn't get the mini Mondu down. There's a little spot right there, so I'm going to shoot it between the trailer. And just use the wand to get after that spot over there. I mean, you can wand the curb really fast. Check it out. Now for the rest of the satisfying rounds. Oh.
Oh, down on that killer.
Look at that, post treat, sticky, icky. Put that on there, it'll dissipate in a couple, 20 minutes or so. So let's go ahead and get the sidewalk post treated. Show you how easy and how quick it is. And it's just that easy. Hey look, looks like somebody's walking in the snow over there. No, it ain't, it's sticky icky. All right, that's gonna wrap up the week. That looks really good up there. He's gonna be happy. Got a guy over here in the greenhouse. He's waving me on over, so I'm gonna wrap all this up and take a walk over there and see what he wants. Customers are just coming at me everywhere, you know? I guess I better get after it! Woohoo! Have a great weekend. See you Monday. All right, sorry about that. Backing up. Thought I was gonna get stuck in the grass there, but I got out. Just gotta be easy. Don't floor it or else you're gonna be in big trouble. Oh no! Especially in one of these nice expensive yards. Anyway, the guy across the street, it's a go, folks. Got the pool cage and the house. He's not sure about the driveway, but I am sure that after I clean the walkway, like I told him, that he'll hire me to do the driveway. And we could do it all in one day. No problem. I'm going to be over here at where we just left. And excuse me, I was writing down an address. But anyway, picked up a lot of work right here on this block today. So that'll make a complete week just about. And we'll see you Monday morning. Bright and bushy-tailed. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, so they say. Getting after it. Y'all have a good weekend, you hear? Stay out of trouble.